In feudal Japan, they were warriors. Warriors called samurai. Some of the samurai had no master. These samurai were called Ronin.
Which has nothing to do with what we're talking about today, which is how to set up the DJI Ronin. First, open the case. Pretty important step. But before you really get started, let's remember, this is not just something you can pick up and use. To really learn how to use it, you got to plan for a few hours, and to master it might take a lifetime. You can use the Ronin stand to hang the Ronin on, but we're going to hang this from a C-stand to gain some height. Attach the hand grips to the Ronin crossbar. You can adjust these to whatever feels comfortable for you. Now attach the 3-axis gimbal to the Ronin. Then attach your battery onto the back. Before you turn it on, we need to balance it first. Attach your camera to the base plate. You might need to make adjustments to where the camera is sitting on the base plate, so be aware of that. For now, make a guess and attach the lens support on the front. The lens support will help you keep everything balanced and stable. Now you have to balance the 3 different axes. First comes tilt. Slide your base plate backward and forward until it's balanced forward and back without you touching it. Get it pretty close because you're going to have to make minute changes anyway once you balance the other axes. Next is roll, which is the side-to-side adjustment. Again, it should balance without you touching it. Before moving on to the pan axis, we need to balance vertical tilt. Put the camera back with the lens tilted up. Then you'll move the set up or down to achieve balance. You might need to make some changes to the other axes to get this right. Once the camera is balanced in the gimbal, you need to balance the entire gimbal's pan axis. Move the whole thing back and forth on the pan axis until you've achieved balance. Again, feel free to continue making minute changes to all of your axes. Test the setup by turning it on. Use the app to auto-calibrate. If it is balanced properly, the motor shouldn't have to work that hard to keep it aligned. Balancing the Ronin can be time-consuming and frustrating, especially the first time you use it. The balance is very dependent on tiny and minute adjustments. But once you get it balanced, the Ronin is a great tool for steady shots. I would recommend adding a monitor to the setup. That way, you can actually see what you're shooting. Thanks for watching, and check out our channel for more videos about how to use stuff.